Imagine a world with a very special book. This book is unlike any other you've ever seen. This isn't just any book. It's a magical ledger. A ledger that holds secrets and truths. This ledger keeps track of everything. Every event, every transaction, every important detail. Every important detail is written down carefully. Nothing is missed, nothing is forgotten. This ledger is called the blockchain. It's a modern marvel of technology. The blockchain is like a shared diary, a diary that everyone can read. Everyone can see what's written inside. It's open for all to see. But no one can erase or change the entries. Once written, it cannot be altered. Once something is written in this book, it stays there forever. It's permanent and unchangeable. This makes the blockchain super trustworthy. People can rely on it. Everyone knows the information is accurate and reliable. There's no room for doubt. Just like in our favorite Pixar movies, honesty and truth are very important. They are the foundation of trust. The blockchain helps us keep things fair and transparent. It ensures justice and clarity. This magical ledger is protected by powerful spells. These spells guard its integrity. These spells are actually complex mathematical codes. They are the guardians of the ledger. They ensure that no one can cheat or tamper with the information stored inside. The ledger remains pure and true. Let's open our magical ledger and dive into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Inside this ledger, we see information stored in special containers, much like the ones you see in a shipping yard. These containers are called blocks. Imagine them as building blocks that fit together perfectly. Each block holds a set of transactions or records, meticulously documented and stored. Think of it like a chapter in our book, each chapter telling a part of the story. These blocks are linked together, forming a strong and unbreakable chain, much like links in a fence. Each block is connected to the one before it and the one after it, creating a seamless connection. This creates a chronological order of all the information, ensuring everything is in the right sequence. To make sure everything stays secure, each block has a unique hash, like a digital lock. A hash is like a fingerprint, unique to each block and its contents. It's a special code that identifies the block and all its contents, ensuring authenticity. If even a tiny bit of information inside a block is changed, the hash changes too, signaling an alert. This alerts everyone that something is wrong and the information can't be trusted, maintaining the integrity of the data. The blockchain security system is designed to be tamper-proof, ensuring that our magical ledger remains trustworthy and secure. Imagine our favorite Pixar characters using the blockchain. It's like a magical world where every transaction is an adventure. Let's say Woody wants to give Buzz Lightyear a digital toy sheriff badge. This isn't just any badge, it's a special one that can only be transferred through the blockchain. Woody's transaction, or request to transfer the badge, is sent to the entire network. This network is made up of all the Pixar characters who are ready to help. Think of it like a message in a bottle, but it reaches everyone instantly. No waiting around for days or weeks. Now our Pixar friends come into play. They all gather to make sure everything is in order. Special characters like Dory, Nemo, and Mike from Monsters, Inc. act as nodes. These nodes are crucial because they verify the transaction. They check to make sure Woody really owns the badge and that the transaction is valid. This step is essential to maintain trust and security. Once they confirm everything is correct, the transaction is grouped with other transactions into a new block. This block is like a page in a digital ledger. This block is then added to the blockchain, and Buzz receives his digital badge. It's a moment of joy and accomplishment. Everyone celebrates because the transaction was secure, transparent, and super fast. No one had to worry about anything going wrong. The blockchain makes sure everyone plays fair and gets what they deserve. It's a system built on trust, transparency, and teamwork. Section 4, the power of blockchain. The blockchain is more than just a magical ledger. It's a powerful tool that can be used in many different ways. Because it's so secure, it can help protect valuable information. Imagine storing important documents like contracts or medical records on the blockchain. No one could change them without everyone knowing. Transparency is another superpower of the blockchain. Since everyone can see the transaction history, it promotes trust and accountability. It's like having a public record that's always up to date and accurate. And because it cuts out the middleman, transactions are faster and more efficient. No more waiting in long lines or dealing with complicated paperwork. The blockchain streamlines the process, saving time and resources. Section 5. Different types of magic. Just like there are different types of magic spells, there are different types of blockchains. Each type has its own unique properties and uses. Public blockchains are like open-air markets, open to everyone. Anyone can join, participate, and view the transaction history. Bitcoin and Ethereum are examples of public blockchains. Private blockchains are more like exclusive clubs. They are controlled by a specific group and require permission to join. These are often used by companies or organizations for internal processes. And then we have permissioned blockchains, which are a mix of both. They allow for some level of public access while still maintaining a degree of control. It's like a private party with a guest list. Section 6. The future is bright. The blockchain is still a relatively new technology. It's like a young, curious character with tons of potential. As more people learn about its benefits, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a future where supply chains are transparent. We'd know exactly where our food comes from or how our products are made. Or a world where voting is secure and tamper-proof, ensuring fair and democratic elections. The blockchain has the power to revolutionize how we interact and transact with each other. It's a tool that can foster trust, transparency, and efficiency in a digital world. And just like in our favorite Pixar movies, the future is bright with possibilities.